Switchbot just announced the Ultra version of its smart lock with keypad vision. It's faster, quieter, stronger than previous Lock Pro, with 18 ways of unlocking and yes, even your face. But do I trust it on my door's lock? This is my experience. I have now more than 40 smart home products and I've always been curious about smart locks, but never had the courage to try them. All the products so far seem too gimmicky or had some major compromises that didn't inspire me confidence enough and trust for my door. What if it locked me out? Before we start, just want to thank Switchbot for sending this product early for review, but I just want to make clear that I'm not sponsored and all the opinions in this video are my own. What I like about the Lock Ultra is that it's a retrofit smart lock, meaning that it's a motor mounted on your lock that simply moves your key with batteries and gears. Yes, it's not minimal like a native smart lock, but it doesn't need particular heavy DIY skills. It supports even more key and doors from different countries of the world than previous model. For this reason I won't go into detail of all the ways you can mount it because there are hundreds of different ways, and Switchbot makes an excellent job in giving step-by-step video guides and plenty of accessories in the mounting kit, 5 times more than you'll actually need. I just had to make sure that my door could accept 2 keys, one on the outside and one on the inside at the same time, just in case I had some problems with the smart lock. What blew me away is how fast the installation process was, like 10 minutes. I started posing the base plate on the keyhole. It can be put with adhesive or with 3 screws according to your lock. Then put my key in vertical position and then set the main body, inserting the key in the orange hole. It perfectly locks in place. And that's done. The setup process can be done automatically with a few steps, testing how to fully extend the deadlock and then opening all the opposite way. I can report you that despite my initial concern, it was really hassle-free. This Ultra version features the best of the specs you can find. With a high-performance motor can achieve a stronger torque than Lock Pro while being more silent and allowing fast, normal and slow and also night mode closing. There is a black or silver color with all the premium metal surface. There are 3 wooden adhesive to complement your door. The round knot lights up when you use it and spin with a very satisfying click like the Apple Watch digital crown. From the main plate you can expose all the internal batteries for maintenance. Now to the most important part, how you can lock and unlock. There are 18 ways you can do that. If you are inside, you can customize the single or double press of the crown that will close all the way or open all the way the lock. Lock Ultra will come with the battery power keypad touch, which is your external terminal with a number, NFC receiver and a semiconductive fingerprint sensor. If you want, you can upgrade to the keypad vision that adds face unlocking. If you press the lock button, you will automatically close the lock all the way. To open it, you can insert a 6-digit code. What I love is that from the app you can create time-limited or one-time use code. Brilliant. Then of course the fingerprint is my favorite way, pretty fast and responsive. You can save many different fingerprints of fingers and people. I have mixed feelings about the face unlock. On one hand, it's super convenient when you have bags and it will open the door. You can leave out unlock when it will constantly look for faces. In my experience, it drains the battery much faster and will create false triggers, like you exit, close the door, and it will see your face and open again. I prefer to leave touching any button as a key trigger, even if it defeats the purpose of a hand-free opening. You can also use NFC cards, you can use the app. When you open the lock, you can customize the time it will keep the latch open. In my case, it will automatically open the door a bit, so I just need to push it to open. This product has 3 levels of battery backup. It has a rechargeable USB-C main battery with 42,000 mAh, a battery backup and a microelectrolytic, just in case that the previous run out. This will ensure you plenty of unlocking even if you forget to charge your main battery. Switchbot talks about 9 months of 20 per day use with the main battery, but I can't confirm since I use it just for a couple of weeks. The emergency mode is really nice because we'll open fully the lock in case something went wrong. The keypad vision has a 5000 mAh battery. You can monitor in real-time level and you will get notification via the app and a ring from the lock once the battery is running out. The app control is great, you can customize everything. My favorite automation is to automatically activate night mode in the evening and it will work quietly and close the lock after the night. The Apple Homekit support is present, yes, but lets you only open and close the lock. It doesn't support Apple Smart Key so far, so you can't create a key on your Apple Watch or iPhone and use them as your key. Matter is also supported via the included Hub Mini, or if you want you can get also the Hub 3. Now let's talk about the price. It won't come cheap, $299 for the Vision combo or $209 for the Touch combo. If you want my advice, get the cheapest pack and you'll be fine, it's a great price. Face unlock will get better in the future, but it's not worth $100 more. So, will I believe in this smart lock on my door? Absolutely yes. It's super convenient to go in and out without using the key. I always carry it with just in case, but I don't use it. So this wrap up for today's video. I really like this new Switchbot product because it's well designed, modern looking, it's smart, can be automatic, and it's so convenient. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Be sure to like and subscribe, and as always, stay tuned on Shades of Tech. Ciao!